Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we are presenting the Servogrind RSM 1000 NC precision grinding machine, a new generation of conventional cylindrical grinding machines. The machine bed features a tried and tested heavy-duty T-type construction to ensure rigidity and precision throughout the entire working area. The generously sized swiveling work table runs on wide, long prismatic guides and offers excellent vibration damping properties. The fully enclosed work area is easily accessible and simple to load thanks to its large doors. The Servogrind is our first cylindrical grinding machine to feature servo-conventional feed technology instead of a hydraulic and mechanical system. High-tech components, which are also used in modern CNC machines, enable the intuitive operation of the machine and the automation of the machining process. This results in a number of clear advantages over conventional machines with no need for programming knowledge. Ball screws and all axes ensure reduced friction and significantly lower breakaway torques for faster, more precise movements. The significantly reduced heat generation ensures constant conditions during continuous operation. This makes a conventional machine with a servo drive more precise, reliable and resilient. The working parameters can be entered on a large touchscreen. For each application, the HMI offers clear operating menus with color graphics. Here, for example, we have groove grinding, here longitudinal grinding, and here the program structure for roughing, finishing, fine finishing and spark out. Here is a brief explanation. We have entered 10 microns here, so we grind off 1/100th of a millimeter in total 5 times. For fine grinding, 5 microns 3 times and so forth. And here we have our total value that we are grind off, which is 7.5 of a millimeter. And that's what we're doing now. In short, you can focus on the result rather than the process. The mobile electronic handwheel makes setting up the machine much easier too. The headstock runs on a high-quality linear guides to enable maximum positioning accuracy with minimal axis movement. The elaborately mounted grinding spindle ensures maximum precision and surface quality during both roughing and fining machining. This series comes with a standard 3-jaw chuck with a diameter of 200 mm and excellent concentricity. The spindle head can be swiveled to one side and the speed of the spindle is infinitely variable. The robust tailstock and standard steady rest also significantly contribute to the accuracy of the workpiece geometry. The Servogrind RSM NC is a modern servo-conventional cylindrical grinding machine, offering a large working range, high precision and versatility for tool and mold making applications. Here at Knut Machine Tools, we offer a wide variety of other high-performance grinding machines and extensive accessories. Contact your nearest Knut representative today.